Pterodactyl here, and I'm going to give you another appetizer. And this is what I'm working on today. Got one of these Trac Vacs where the engine had failed. And the customer wants a new engine. Well, not a new engine, he wants a new used engine. So I happen to have one of them 6.5 horse Vanguards, an older one. But the problem when you do this, you know, the existing engine was a different flathead or L-head engine that was on here. The old Briggs L-head or flathead. So this blower housing fits up flush. Well, the problem with using a new engine or a newer engine, like the one we did on the Billy Goat, is the muffkin. Just like on that Billy Goat video. The muffkin sits past, sticks out further. So I've already cut it. But the problem I was having was, you know, like in the other video, all I did was space it up and move it out. Well, this one you fill the oil from here. So I kind of wanted to keep that unobstructed, and I didn't want a hot muffkin, you know, in the way for when the customer goes to refill it. So what I did is I went and got one of the old Briggs tubular muffkins. And I took the existing heat shield and I cut it down. And I took one of the existing heat shield brackets and cut it off and welded it to the tubular muffkin for strength. And I'm also going to reuse the deflector. So now I got my short little connector piece and the muffkin, and I had this bracket that I kind of used the same kind of bracket. Somebody give me a bunch of these brackets. I used this bracket on that Billy Goat one, and I'm going to secure that to there. So now it's easy to get at the oil fill, easy to get at the spark plug, and then like I said, I could also deflect the exhaust fumes and it'll be out of the way back here. And then of course, you know, I'll paint it up so it looks nice. So that's where I'm at right now. So now let me go ahead and get everything tacked up and get it all tacked, and I'll take it off and weld it, and we'll put it all back together. Well, there it is, all welded up and mounted, nice and solid. Next step, let's mount it to the vac and hear how it sounds, hear how quiet it is. Alright, we got it all mounted on the Trac Vac. Briggs and Scranton, I hope you're watching, take note. You need to come up with a muffkin for when this kind of problem arises. This second time now. Looks pretty good on there. Let's hear how it sounds. Let me give it a jerk on the rope. One looks good too. Just gotta let that high heat paint burn off of there. Not burn off, but bake in, because I hit it with high heat. So this customer will be happy because he went to other dealers and they told him there's no engine. The engines ain't gonna fit. The muffkin sticks out too far. Because that's what we do here at our shop. We make things work. If it don't work, we'll make it work. Didn't take me that long to do that little muffkin conversion. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. Chase me with your Trac Vacs on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. Well, this is an appetizer. Woo! Making the van